Have you ever dreamed of transforming your patio, balcony, or garden into a lush, vibrant oasis? Well, today I'm here to help you do just that. And guess what? You don't need a sprawling yard to make it happen. Imagine your space filled with beautiful shrubs that are not only easy to grow but thrive in containers. Perfect for any outdoor or indoor corner. Stick around because in this video, we'll explore 50 stunning shrubs that will turn your container garden into a showstopper. Let's dive in, starting with some of my personal favorites. Flowering maple. First up, the flowering maple. With just 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, this beauty will reward you with hollyhock-like blooms. A low-maintenance stunner for any container garden. Andromeda. Looking for glossy foliage and delicate pink flowers? Andromeda, related to azaleas and rhododendrons, grows 2 to 4 feet tall and thrives in cool temperatures. Anisodontea. Heat and drought-tolerant Anisodontea brings a South African touch to your space with its tall growth and charming pink flowers. Asters. A burst of color in every shade you can imagine. Asters, like bushy or New England varieties, bloom profusely and are super easy to grow. Spotted laurel. Also called gold dust. This shrub has vibrant green leaves speckled with golden spots and produces small red berries. Now, for those who crave flowers that scream spring, here are some classic options. Azalea. The queen of spring. Keep azaleas safe from harsh afternoon sun, and they'll reward you with show-stopping blooms. Bougainvillea. Think bold and beautiful. Bougainvilleas love full sun and come in a variety of colors. Plus, you can shape them into shrubs, vines, or even bonsais. Brugmansia. Known for its fragrant night-blooming flowers, Brugmansia is enchanting, but be cautious. It's toxic. Butterfly bush. Perfect for pollinator lovers. Butterfly bushes in dwarf varieties fit right into containers and attract butterflies galore. Boxwood. Boxwoods are evergreen and low maintenance. Their compact structure adds elegance to patios and porches. Next, let's talk about shrubs that offer more than just beauty. Some give you fruit, fragrance, or even culinary ingredients. Calamansi. A citrusy delight. Compact and productive, calamansi will brighten your container garden with its small round fruits. Bottlebrush. With its striking red flowers, bottlebrush attracts pollinators and thrives with minimal care. Camellia. Known for their elegance, camellias need partial shade and will reward you with glossy leaves and stunning blooms. Rock rose. Tough and drought-tolerant. Rock roses thrive on neglect and still manage to look gorgeous. Lemon. Who doesn't want their own lemons? A lemon shrub in a pot gives both beauty and fruit. Let's speed up a bit with a rapid-fire round of must-have container shrubs. Cotoneaster. A spreading shrub with lovely berries ideal for large containers. Daphne. Sweetly scented flowers in partial shade. Silverberry. Silver green foliage and drought-tolerant. Escallonia. Fragrant and salt-tolerant, perfect for coastal areas. Forsythia. Bright yellow flowers that herald spring. Fuchsia. Bell-shaped, dual-toned flowers for shaded patios. Wintergreen, low-growing with minty-scented leaves and red berries. Gardenia, a fragrant classic that thrives in acidic soil. Gora, whirling butterfly-like blooms attract pollinators. Pomegranate, juicy fruits in a compact shrub. We're almost there, but don't miss these versatile options that can truly make your container garden unique. Gooseberry, tart berries that are a cinch to grow. Hebe, compact and colorful, ideal for small spaces. Hibiscus, tropical flair with bold blooms. Hydrangea, big dramatic flower clusters that steal the show. Holly, perfect for holiday vibes in a pot. Lantana, bright tireless blooms for year-round beauty. Laurel bay leaf, a culinary and ornamental delight. Viburnum, clusters of tiny fragrant flowers. Lavender, fragrant, calming, and a pollinator magnet. Lilacs, fragrant blooms that signal the arrival of spring. Magnolia, dwarf varieties are perfect for long-lasting container appeal. Crepe myrtle, low-maintenance blooms with vibrant colors. Pittosporum, great for tall containers with lush, spiraling foliage. Peony, a symbol of romance with large, lush blooms. Potentilla, bright flowers on a hardy shrub. Japanese maple, elegant foliage in reds, oranges, and greens. Oleander, hardy and blooming in pinks and whites, though toxic. Rosemary, fragrant and edible, great for culinary use. Smoke bush, unique, smoky pink plumes for dramatic effect. Blueberry, edible berries and lovely spring flowers. Tea plant, grow your own Camellia sinensis for a tea garden. Mock orange, sweet citrus scent that perfumes the air. Weigela, showy flowers and easy care. Yew, dense, evergreen foliage ideal for shaping. Ninebark, colorful foliage and peeling bark for year-round interest. And there you have it, 50 amazing shrubs that are perfect for container gardening. Whether you want vibrant flowers, delicious fruits, or fragrant foliage, there's something here for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow plant lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!